Hey everyone, welcome back today. We are venturing behind the scene of your computer to explore a crucial component, the operating system, often abbreviated as OS. You might be wondering what exactly is an operating system and why is it so important? Well, think of it as the conductor of a complex orchestra. Just like a conductor coordinates the different sections of an orchestra to create beautiful music, the operating system manages all the moving parts of your computer to ensure smooth operation. Here's a closer look at what system does. Managing hardware, it acts as a translator between you and the computer's hardware components like the CPU, memory, and storage. It allocates resources to different programs and ensure they all work together efficiently. Run software. The OS allows you to install and run various software applications from web browser to games to productivity tools. It provides the platform for these programs to interact with the hardware user interface. It provides the user interface, the desktop or touchscreen environment you interact with. It allows you to give commands, manage files and folders, and launch programs. Security. The operating system also plays a vital role in protecting your computer from malware and unauthorized access. It includes features like firewalls and permission control. So, why should you care about the operating system? Understanding the OS helps you to troubleshoot basic computer problems. Knowing your OS helps you choose compatible software and optimize your computer performance. It gives you a deeper appreciation for the complex technology that power your digital life. The operating system is the unsung hero of your computer, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. While you might not interact with it directly all the time, understanding its role will empower you to get the most out of your computer experience. Do you have any question about operating system? Share them in the comment below and I will be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.